Hello everyone, today we perform the practical which aim is acetophenone to meta-nitroacetophenone by nitration process. It is the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Let's see the chemicals is required for today's practical acetophenone, concentrated H2SO4, concentrated HNO3. Reaction is acetophenone and concentrated H2SO4, concentrated HNO3. It gives meta-nitroacetophenone. Before that, one question will arise. Why this nitro group is coming to the meta position of this acetyl group? This question will be asked. You can answer me after performing the practical. First of all, you can use clean and dry apparatus for practical. First, we using conical flask in which you take 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid by measuring. Then after you can cool in a ice bath. This 2 ml concentrated your sulfuric acid. It cool in an ice bath. Your conical flask is hot due to the concentrated H2SO4. After the temperature is done, then you can add concentrated HNO3. Then its solution is nitration or nitrating reagent. Temperature is slowly rise down. Okay. Now we add 2 ml concentrated HNO3 in this conical flask. Let's go. Here you can slowly add because solution can be bumped and it is harm your face or body part. It cool 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. Now our nitrating mixture is cooled down or cool. Now we add acetophenone 1 ml in this solution. We take 1 ml of acetophenone. This acetophenone, you can add drop-wise this nitrating mixture in ice bath. You can add slowly and continue stirring. You can observe this clear solution is changes into cloudy after the addition of acetophenone with continuous stirring. Now addition is completed. You can stir continuously. You clearly observe this change of this solution. It first is clear solution. It converted into precipitate. Now after room temperature, you heat in water bath up to the 40 degrees centigrade. To take some time, this mixture at room temperature. After this mixture in room temperature, we warm it in a water bath up to the 40 degrees Celsius. You measure the temperature. Okay. Slightly warm it. So, after the heating, the brown fumes will be observed. This is nitration. After heating, you can stir to room temperature for 1 hour. Then we got the crystal and pour this solution in ice. You can continually stir for 1 hour. After the 1 hour completed, this solution pour in ice. And it continuously stir for 10 to 15 minutes. You continue stir it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you open the crystal. Pour this mixture in ice. Then we appear this solid precipitate. It is a creamish white solid, or sometimes it is show yellow color. This practical, if its heat or temperature is not maintained, your crystal of form with sticky. So important thing is in this practical to maintain the temperature. Now filter this crystal. After the filtration complete, then it recrystalline from ethanol. If you necessary, you can recrystallize from ethanol. You can, after the dry, record the yield, melting point and TLC. For today's video, we specially thank for Pallavi Madam.